Hello everyone, I will show you how to know if your heater is still working or not. By clamp meter, but anyway, to determine if your heater is still working, we have two ways to determine it using our multi-tester with clamp meter. The first way to determine if your heater is working is by the use of a multi-tester with clamp meter. Is that you must get the current of the heater? But before that, make sure that the controller is on. As you can see, in our first heater we didn't get a current reading. And then in the second heater we get a current reading. In our first heater, we will make sure that if the controller of the heater is turned on. As you can see in the fourth heater, we didn't get a current reading, and we check the third heater, and we get a current reading. Upon checking the controller of the heater number 4 is turned off, that is why we didn't get a current reading. So we will go back to the first heater, we will check if the controller is turned on. And now upon checking the controller of the first heater, the controller is turned on. And then, when we see the set temperature of the actual temperature reading is not the same. So it means that the first heater is damaged or not functioning. So that is the first way to determine if your heater is not working or working. And now we are about to use the second way of determining if your heater is still working or not, or just damaged or good. In this kind of method testing the heater, voltage supply is not needed here. All we need to do is determine if our heater has a resistance reading. As you can see, we have two examples of heaters. Based on their appearances, you can say that the two heaters are good. But I will test it using a multi-tester. We will determine if the heaters are good or damaged. In our first heater, we will test the resistance. As you can see, the first heater has no resistance reading. So this means that the first heater is not good. In this method, we just use the continuation test. And now we will try to test the second heater. You can put the tester probes in any terminal of the heater because heaters have no polarity. As you can see, the second heater has a resistance reading, so this means that the second heater is good. Also, sometimes we can determine that the heater is good or not good by their appearances. But in this case, the two examples have the same appearances that have no damage. In other words, just always use a tester, even if the appearance of the heater is good. Maybe that's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Please comment if you have another way of determining if the heater is good or bad. Thank you, and God bless us all.